we're going to take a look at the logical negation operator. So, crank up Visual Studio, make a templated project as we have before. Leave only using system, delete the other ones. Alright, within the body here of static void main, we're going to type the following code. We will type console.writeLine, and then we'll say the following. Okay, so enter your string like this. Okay, and there you go. And then you'll say string s equals, and then you'll say console.readLine. Read the input, so prompt, read input, operate on input, produce output, right? The basic function of a computer or a calculator or a program in general. So here, what we're going to say is the following. Let me paste some code that I have down below for reference. First of all, we are going to spin this so that it continually prompts the user for input. And of course, we know how to do that by now. We will use while true. So while true, there you go. Notice anything blue like this is a keyword, correct? Now you're going to say the following. Let me take this and get into the body here while true. Like that. There you go. As you can see, you can just highlight code and then drag it around. Reposition it as you like. It's all very easy. Okay, let me move this up a little to the top. There you go. Let me move it up to the top. And now we're going to say the following. While true, you will take the following step. Let's end the while. If and then s equals nothing. Okay. And then you'll reverse the truth value of that by typing the following like this. Okay? There you go. So let's take a look. If this portion that I have highlighted inside here, this portion that I'm like this, okay? If s equals nothing, if that is a true statement, then application of the exclamation mark will reverse the truthfulness and make this if evaluate to false, meaning that the block here will be skipped and we'll go over to the else like this. Okay, there you go. On the other hand, if s equals nothing is false, correct, meaning there is something there, an application of this exclamation mark will make this true, which simply confirms that there is something present, and then you can perform an operation on the string. Okay, so in our case, we'll just say console.writeLine, and we'll do something we've done before, so it's nothing new. s.substring here, and then 0, 1 to upper. So grab the first character, convert to uppercase, and then you'll add the rest of it, s.substring, and then you'll say 1 through s.length, and then -1, and then convert all the rest to lowercase, and then close that with a semicolon. There you go. On the other hand, we'll just say console.writeLine and enter a string like this. Okay. Close that with a semicolon. Close this with a period. Okay, there's our code. I have some other reference code down below. That's green, so it's not going to affect anything. Alright, so here's our simple program. Let's give this a go so we can convince ourselves it works. Debug and start without debugging. Give that a run. First of all, now if you hit enter, nothing shows as you might expect, correct? Except enter your string. That's good. Okay, this confirms that while true actually is prompting for input. On the other hand, enter some string. You'll win, I don't know, say big money tomorrow. Hit enter, and it says you'll win with big money tomorrow, capitalized properly, so it's working. Okay, there you go. See? Alright, let's do that now. There we go. So at this point, this is your code. And what you definitely want to do is go debug and step into. Step through this at least once, just so you can get a feel for the behavior. Right, let it run a little bit. There you go. While true, right? Get some input from the user. So hello and then world. Hit enter. So clearly, if you have your mouse here, right, it says as hello world. Okay, that is not equal to nothing. So the inner portion right here would be false. The application of the symbol would make the whole thing true. therefore this code inside would run. So let's take a look. Does that happen? It certainly does. You see that? And then the else is skipped, and then it just continually works, prompting for input. There you go. So thank you very much, guys, and that is it for this video. I will see you in another one. Please type this example. Remember, active learning is really the only kind of learning you should ever do. It's the best way to learn. You've got to sit there and type, and investigate and experiment, and that's a good way of learning just about anything. So thank you very much, and I will see you in another video.